Every second, thousands of potatoes are transformed into the world's most iconic snack. It begins with the perfect seed. Only specific, high-quality potatoes are chosen to meet the global standards of the Lay's brand.
The transformation begins. Using centrifugal force and abrasive precision, the potatoes are peeled to perfection. In a bath of pure, temperature-controlled oil, the slices are flash-fried. This is where the crunch is born.
Precision is key. Every chip is moved with gentle vibrations, ensuring the perfect Lay's shape remains intact from the fryer to the bag. Beyond the classic salt, science creates the flavor. Each seasoning is a precise formula designed.
Nothing is left to chance. Lasers scan for moisture levels.
Every single bag is weighed with milligram precision. At Lay's, we ensure that every consumer gets exactly the amount of joy they expect.
The stack grows higher, creating the wall of Lay's. This is the volume formula of the factory, preparing for global distribution. Innovation meets tradition. For those seeking a lighter crunch, the Lay's oven-baked process uses high-velocity air to Texture creates taste. The deep ridges of Lay's Wavy are engineered to hold more flavor, delivering a bold experience in every bite.
Behind every chip is a world of data. In our digital control centers, we monitor every
Look at all the flavors! Should we get the Flamin' Hot for the party tonight?
From a single potato in the field to a global icon of joy, this is more than a chip, it's a master.
Lay's. Stay crispy.